Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Please Reboot and restart the game GFX State error in GTA 5 Enhanced. Alright, let's begin. First, open your graphics control software, go to the driver section and install any available updates. After that, press Windows plus R, type app data, and press enter. Open the local folder, then open your GPU folder and delete all files inside the DX cache. Now go back, open the local low folder, open your GPU folder again, then DX cache, and delete all files there as well. Next, open Documents, then Rockstar Games, then GTA 5 Enhanced, and delete the Settings folder. After that, open the settings.xml file, scroll down, and enter your correct GPU name. If you do not know it, open Device Manager and check it there. Finally, open your GTA 5 installation folder, right-click on Play GTA 5, select Copy as Path, then open Windows Graphics Settings, click Add a Desktop App and paste the path, then scroll and find Play GTA 5 and set it to High Performance. So that's basically how you can fix Please Reboot and restart the game GFX State error in GTA 5 Enhanced. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.